Imagine carrying an extra 100 pounds of excess weight, feeling trapped in a body that's holding you back from living life to the fullest. Morbid obesity poses significant challenges, both physical and emotional. Excess weight can lead to serious health complications, diminish self-esteem, and make everyday activities a struggle. But what if there was a way to break free from the weight that's holding you back? Vaser Liposuction offers a beacon of hope. By harnessing the power of advanced technology and precision technique, we can reshape the body and restore confidence. In this case study, we will delve into the intricacies of a high-risk, high-reward procedure that push the boundaries of what's possible. Join me as we explore the art and science of vaser liposuction in morbid obesity and discover how this is a groundbreaking treatment that can transform lives.